In this video, I'll cover the fourth type of regression, which is cubic regression. And this regression is of degree 3. And what cubic regression is to get a constant on the third layer of difference. So if we take a look at the example of 1, 8, 27, 64, and 125, let's try to find the constant of difference. My first layer is plus 7, plus 19, plus 37, plus 61, which is not a constant yet. So let's try to do the next level. My second layer of difference is 12, 18, and 24, but it's not a constant yet. So let's just try the last level. Indeed, my last level is a constant, plus 6, which tells me that it's a cubic regression. So since we got a constant only at the third layer of difference, it is then a cubic regression. Take note that our calculator do not have a cubic regression function, so we need to use deduction. This is the basic cubic regression that we have, 1, 8, 27, 64, and 125. And realize that all of these are your cube numbers, which has the general formula n power 3. So if we look at this second example, 2, 9, 28, 65, and 126, and if we compare it to the original one, which we now know that the general term is n power 3, then what would be the new sequence general term? So from 1 to 2, we have to add 1, and from 8 to 9, we have to add 1, and so on and so forth. What I realized is that we will just have to add 1 to the original sequence to get my new sequence over here. So the answer would be n cubed, which is the original one, and I will have to add 1. So the answer is n power 3 plus 1. Let's try to practice our cubic regression with these examples. Please pause this video to attempt the questions first before you look at the solutions. So now I'll be flashing all the answers. These are all the answers for the questions.